Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FamilyMath number 604.
604. So we got this game for the iPad today. Do you know what it's called?
40 toys, I think.
40 Toys. And I just had you play with it for 10 minutes, so you had never even seen it before.
Yeah.
What did you think about it?
It's pretty cool.
Okay. Show me a couple things that you thought were fun.
Well, like first there's this little tutorial thing, and they have a bunch of explanations. Like here's the two-dimensional version.
Okay.
And you can see, here, I'll switch it. So down here is what's happening if you were a two-dimensional person just looking at it.
Right.
And then in 3 dimensions you can see what's happening.
Oh, I see. Okay, so this down here, I have to double check that that's on screen. Okay, so down here you see a big and the ball or circle, and then it goes away. And with these cubes, you see, it looks like you see almost like a square and maybe a little rectangle.
Yeah.
All right, and what happens if you move the cubes?
So they can look different. I can move the plane.
Huh.
See that?
That's pretty neat. Okay.
And then another two-dimensional one that looked interesting was this one.
Wow, what's this?
Where it's a sphere inside of a torus.
Oh, wow.
So a two-dimensional person would be very confused by this.
Okay. How do you know?
You're going to see this green ring
Uh-huh.
that sort of grows, and it's like an oval shape.
All right.
But then it splits apart, and then you see this blue circle appear between them.
Huh.
And that grows big, and then the parts rejoin themselves and then shrink out.
That's neat. Can you swap the 2D and 3D to make the 2D seem bigger? And then move it through?
I can't move it in through. I can
Over here,
move it in.
Oh, wow. That's really neat. Okay. Wow, that is cool. Good job. Good find.
Also, there's a bunch of 4-dimensional cool puzzles. Like, here's this one. It's a jumble of basically 4-dimensional rectangles.
All right. And what happens here?
So it's cool because you can, it only looks like there's 3 shapes here, right?
Okay.
But as you move the 4D plane through, you realize there's a few more.
Oh, there's some hiding, like, off.
Often that you can't see.
Oh, can you, like, bring them together? Like, can you move that one forward? Okay, so that comes into view.
Then as I move them, some get into view. Like there's one here now.
Huh. That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think you could learn from this?
Well, I mean, you could learn sort of how to visualize the 4th dimension. I mean, I'll do a simple one. Here's the 16 cell.
All right.
So somehow you can visualize, I'll leave it like this. You can visualize the 16 cell as a sort of a sum of what it looks like as this happens.
Huh.
But there's many different ways to view that sum. Into these. I didn't notice these. Oh.
Yeah, I don't. Well, it's alright. We'll have plenty of time to play with it. Okay. So there's many different ways to view that sum. All right. Do one more, and then we'll wrap it up.
All right. So here is a 4D ball pit. It says 200 hyperspheres in it.
Wow.
And you can see that sometimes the hyperspheres sort of like wink out if I move them around.
Uh huh.
Like that one's shrinking.
Yep.
So like them shifting in 3 dimensions, and as I move the plane.
So they didn't really go away. They just went to a different part of the 4D pit.
Yeah.
Nice. All right. Well, cool. This looks like a really fun game. I'm glad we got it. Or maybe it's not a game. It's like a fun tool. So, you excited to learn more from this?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Good job, hon.